Scotty's is installing my upper control arm. We are going to go in and see if it's done. We are going to take a quick look at the upper joint that was installed, the Steeda piece. Alright, so we're set, we're good to go. We got our pinion angle set. Oh, it's nice you guys got 410 written on there. That's a nice little note. Yeah, good idea. Give you a view from the other side. Have a quick look at the car under. These are the new control arms that were installed. I put on yesterday. We did a video about that. Adjustable joint on there. I didn't know this was on there. This is already on the car, but there was some slop in this piece. What do you got to do, Ted? Come on. All right, so apparently my pinion is a little loose, so the guys are gonna take that off and get it snugged up for me. I just left Scott's Auto, and my oil filter didn't show up today, so they're gonna wait for that. And while they're waiting, they're actually gonna build me a bracket to drop down my exhaust a little bit, my Borla over the exo exhaust. It is very close to one of the frame supports in the back there, so they're gonna build a little spacer, get it dropped down so we get some clearance, and then they're gonna disconnect my drive shaft and just check that pinion. The pinion's a little loose on the differential there. They're going to get it snugged up, and they said that's just from kind of hitting it hard and shifting hard and just the torque of the car. So I couldn't, you know, those guys had great information. They were sharing, but I couldn't get any of them on camera. They saw my camera start rolling, they scattered. Anyways, it's all good. It's a great shop. I totally trust them with my car. I know the owner for a long time. We go back. We're like Ford buddies, but they do good work. Scotty's Auto, M66. We'll do some testing as soon as we get the opportunity, and we'll get that cut in here. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care.